grammar section for class 10. In previous classes, I taught determiner and verb. Today, I am going to teach the third topic, subject verb agreement. This topic is very important for writing or reading, speaking and understanding. These are some rules that is very important for the students. In Old English grammar, it is known as syntax or concord. But nowadays, in grammar book, the topic is given subject verb agreement. Really, for writing the correct English, the verb is used according to the number and person of the subject. So there are some rules that is very important, or the first rule is SSPP. That means singular subject, singular verb, plural subject, plural verb. For example, boys are playing cricket. Here boys are plural, so are is used. He is reading a book. Subject is he, singular, so is used. So very simple rule, SSPP. In modals, in active form we use modals plus V1, or in passive forms we use modals plus B plus V3. For example, I can write a letter. In passive form, a letter can be written by me. So, modals are also very important in writing in English grammar. Shall, will, can, could, may, might, should, must, ought to, used to, dare not, need not. They are 11. And in active form, modals plus V1, or in passive form, modals plus B plus V3. Very easy to use. So the first rule in subject verb agreement is SSPP. The second rule is and or as well as. That is also very important. And the meaning is the same. There is no difference in the meaning and or as well as. For example, Ram and Shyam or Ram as well as Shyam. Meaning is the same. But when we use in grammar, we find differences. The two subjects connected by and, the verb will be plural. The two subjects connected by as well as, the verb agrees with the subject used before as well as. For example, Ram and Shyam are playing cricket. Ram as well as Shyam is playing cricket. Meaning is the same. But when the students use or connect subjects with the help of and, the verb will be plural, and when they connect the subjects with the help of as well as, the verb agrees with the subject used before as well as. So rule 2 is very important. Then next rule is, if the two subjects linked with the preposition of, that is very important. The two subjects linked with of, the verb agrees with the subject used before of. For example is the people of India and the capital of India. The people of India, we use are. The people of India are hardworking. The capital of India is Delhi. So before of people is used. So people like the plural verb, or before of capital is used. So noun of noun, verb agrees with the subject used before of. That is very important rules. Next, one plus of plus plural noun plus singular verb. Generally we find that one plus of plus plural noun, but we use the singular because here we find that the one links with agrees with the verb because one is used before of, but one plus of and after of plural noun comes. One of my friends is going to Delhi. One of my teachers is teaching English. Here is used not according to teachers, according to one. Is used according to one, not the friends. So one of my friends is going to Delhi, or one of my teachers is teaching English. The next rule is noun subject with subjects. That means noun with nouns, noun with other subjects. The subjects connects with the preposition with the verb agrees with the subject used before with. For example, Mohan with his friends. Here the verb agrees with Mohan, not his friends, because Mohan with his friends and before with Mohan is used. So this is the rule. Next, E plus subject plus V1, then subject plus shall will plus V1. So this structure is also very useful or important. If he comes, I shall go. If he plays well, he will win the match. So then is not here used. If he plays well, he will win the match. Comma is sufficient for using for them. So next rule is E plus subject plus V2. Subject would, should, could, might, must plus V1. If he played well, he would win the match. If he studied hard, he would get the good marks. Third structure is E plus subject plus had plus V3. Subject could have, should have, could have, might have plus V3. This structure is very, very important. If he had played well, he would have won the game. If he had studied hard, he would have obtained good marks. So these structures are really very important. Next structure is if I were, then subject plus would plus V1. For example, if I were a bird, I would fly in the sky. So these structures are also very important for forming the sentences and for writing correctly. Then the subjects connected by either or neither nor, that is also very important. Agrees with the nearest verb. The verb agrees with the nearest subject, either or neither nor. Either Mohan or his friends. Here are is used. Either Mohan or his friends are playing cricket. Neither Mohan nor his friends are playing cricket. That means friends are nearest to the verb. So in the case of either or neither nor, we use the verb agrees with the nearest subject. So next rule is some nouns treated as singular, some treated as plural, and some treated as both singular or plural. For example, for singular, mathematics, physics, furniture, language, always treated as singular. Next, Some treated as plural, police, people, goods, cattle, and some treated as both singular and plural, government, media, public. Next rule is, if we use the plus adjective, then plural verb is used. The adjective, for example, the rich are dishonest, the poor are honest. So these rules are very important for writing, for understanding, for grammar, write correctly. That is. Now some exercises. Exercise number 1. Question number 1. India dash won the match. Has or have. India dash has or have won the match. Second, the people of India dash is are very laborious. Next question third, the poor dash is are honest. Next, the players of football team dash is are playing very well. Next question, one of my classmates is are reading Champak. Next question, you as well as your brother dash is are singing songs. Next question, neither you nor your brother dash is are playing the game. Next question, good news is are expected by us. Next, he said that he dash could do that work. Next question, the cattle dash is are grazing in the field. So these are the questions, and I think after reading the rules of subject verb agreement, all the students are in position to answer the questions. So also tell you the answer. First, India have won the match, because here India is not a single country. Here India indicates the Indian team. So Indian have won the match. The people of India, before of people is used, so here are is used. The people of India are very laborious. The poor are honest, because poor is adjective and before adjective the is used, so the poor agrees with the plural verb. The poor are. The players of the football team, before of the players, so the verb agrees with the players. So the players of the football team are. One of my classmates, before of one is used, so verb agrees with one. So one of my classmates is reading Champak. You as well as your brother is are. That means here before as well as you is used, so here verb agrees with you. So you as well as your brother are singing songs. Neither you nor your brother, here verb agrees with the nearest, so nearest is your brother, so is used in this sentence. Neither you nor your brother is playing the game. Good news is expected by us. Good news is always treated as singular, so good news is expected by us. He said that he could do that work, because before that said in past tense, so after he could is used, not can. And the last, the cattle are treated as plural, so the cattle are grazing in the field.